supply, and daisy chain. That's all I'm gonna need. I don't need to buy a $200 power supply. Sweet. Why would I possibly waste over $100 some to have a power supply that's isolated? What? What? What is that noise? I just got this.
Hello everyone, my name is Dave Sauce, and I was actually just having a problem. I ordered a power supply, 9-volt power supply to power my pedals on my guitar. I thought, why would I need an isolated power supply? I mean, it can't be much different than a regular power supply, can it? Well, anyway, I bought a daisy chain to run. I have 3 pedals. I run a tube screamer, a noise gate, and a distortion pedal. So I ran those 3 together in a daisy chain, plugged into the wall. As soon as I turn them on, I get this weird, crazy whining sound. I could not figure out what the deal was with it, and I looked around, searched around everywhere, couldn't figure it out. Everybody's saying buy an isolated power supply. There was actually a guy building a power filter, and I didn't know what that was, but it said, let's see, what was the thing? DIY guitar power filter, or something like that. It was a DIY guitar pedals on YouTube, and I decided to build the layout that he had for his power filter to try it on my own, because it made a huge difference. Like, it got rid of most of the hum. It actually brought the pedals back down, so you didn't have to listen to that squealing sound. I mean, it's obnoxious when you turn the amp up, and it just gets amplified as it goes through the pedals. So I will go through and show you how I built mine off of his design. Go check out his channel because it's amazing. It really helped me out from spending, I don't know, hundreds of dollars to power my pedals, which all I wanted to do was get one little power supply and use that to power my pedals, because I play in my bedroom. I play, I don't play live. I just do it for fun. And it was kind of annoying that, I can't just spend a little bit of money to have a little bit of a good tone. So here is my build right here. It has the 2 ports. I probably can't see it that well. In and out, and it also has an LED in the center. I just put that on there just for fun. It looks cool, but let's go through it and show you how to build it off of his design. Now, the only thing that I had to do that was differently was actually I had to take out the resistor, because I was only getting 6 point some volts. It was a 100 ohm resistor, and I needed to be up around 9. I lost about 1/4 of a volt once I took out the resistor. And let's go over the things you need to build this thing. So let's get started. Here are your two jacks. This is the input and this is the output here. The input rolls in, and what we did is this right here is a diode, and it's heading towards the capacitors. This is the positive side. You go from one end to the other side, and then it's going to run straight out to this capacitor on the positive side. This is the negative side, and it's running to this side of the diode on this, and this diode is going into the positive. And then continuing on through the circuit, through the two capacitors, and out through the negative to the other jack. Positive side is coming straight through, meets up with the negative diode, and then hits the positive sides of the capacitors on this side and runs right to the wire. There's nothing special. The whole circuit is right there. Pretty easy to understand. And then it runs out to there. And you can add an extra LED if you want to. All I did was run it in here with some hot glue, back out and around, and actually right here on the opposite end of this, you can see the wires run underneath, and it's right there. And that's all there is. I hope this helps someone that was having noise. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so just, you can do this if you want to, but I don't know if it can cause damage or not, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out DIY Guitar Pedals. He has a full diagram on how to do it and everything. Check out his channel, and hopefully he can help you out. I just figured I'd show what happened with mine and how it came out. Let's do some comparisons of with it and without it. Okay, so these are going to be at the same levels. This is without the power filter. And this is with the filter. Now you will hear the buzz of the preamp because it's amplifying the signal, but you're not hearing that whistling sound. So again, that plug actually coming out is the daisy chain cable that I just don't have a pedal to. You will need to get an adapter, male to male, 2.1 I believe, to so you can plug this, or the female end into it.